Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. I know I haven't been on for a hot minute, but I thought I would just jump on and show you guys a couple of things, and then what's been on my mind lately. So, first off, I guess I'll start with something that I made recently, and I think some of you guys are going to hate this, and some of you guys are going to love this, but as you can see, I have a new keychain on my Junie and Burke bag. So it's gonna be hard to see, but what that is, this is a pin. This is a decorative, like a pin you put on your clothes. I got it from Joann's. And by the way, this is about 3 inches long, so it's pretty big. It's really sparkly, more sparkly in person. It is really bedazzled. So what I did was I bought some I'll show you. I bought eye pins from Michael's, and what they do is that's how you make jewelry. So like wired jewelry. So they're just little pins with the loop at the end, and you can take pliers and mold to whichever way you want. So I attached that to just a regular keychain, and I just clipped it right on. So as I said, I know it's hard to see with this camera, but it's pretty big, and it's really sparkly. Isn't that pretty? I like it. I'm not going to use it all the time for my bag because I'm not always fancy, but I think that's cute. I also picked up another accessory. Well, I'll just set it aside. That's okay. I picked up an accessory I found at Macy's, and I think this is an older accessory. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think that is correct, and I'm sure most of you ladies already have this, but I just picked it up. Let's see, let me get the name of it. Yep. This is the Coach. On the tag it says MET round coin case. So it must be metal coin case. There it is. It is like a gold silver. And you have a pocket in the back. And that opens up. And no pocket. It's just, I thought it was really cute. It was on sale for like $11.95 at Macy's. So, ooh, that matches really good. Gold tones here, gold tones here. So that works out. I just had, let's see, a question. Well, let me know if you guys are experiencing this. I don't know if any of you guys use Poshmark to buy or sell. But I use Poshmark. I have an account on there where I sell a lot of my Junie and Burke bags or Coach bags that I just need. I got tired of them, you know. And I have put up a few of my bags from my collection on there. And what's weird is whenever I put one up, and pretty much most of my bags are in good or better than good condition, like not perfect, but like right below perfect. Like there might be one scratch or nothing. Anyways, whenever I would post one, I would get likes and I would get offers within 1 to 2 weeks. Usually within a week of me first posting it. So right away I get an offer like, okay, I want to buy this bag, or they'll offer me something a little lower. And I'd always end up selling all my Junie and Burke bags and Coach. So I posted 2 bags. That one is in pretty much perfect condition. The other one, it is, but I mentioned it has kind of a maple syrup smell to it due to a spill, but the spill, you can't even see it anymore. Anyways, but one's really good condition, one's lower. I posted it like a month ago, you guys, and maybe a month and a half, and I've gotten likes, just a few, right? But nothing. Nobody wanted to buy it, and I think it's because of the pandemic we're in, which makes sense. So nobody wants to buy a bag that somebody else has touched, put their fingerprints all over, they don't know where it's been, and I get it. I totally get it. But how do you guys sell? Is there another way you guys sell your stuff, or do you not do that at all? Like maybe there's a better way to do this. Maybe eBay, but eBay has fees, but I could try it. But it's probably due to COVID, but it's just frustrating because I have 2 bags that I just really need to get off my hands. One of them is the Junie and Burke zip top zip top tote in the beacon woven leather with its pale blue. The second one is the same exact silhouette. It's the Junie and Burke zip tops tote, and it's in the black patent leather with the blue, pale blue interior. So those are the two I'm selling. So yeah, comment down below if you're interested in buying those, and I can comment back with what my username is. That just in case, you know, if everybody's interested, I could tell you, hey, this is my username if you want to offer it. And I put pretty good photos on there. So comment down below if you're interested. But yeah, I get it if it's due to COVID. So yep. And then, oh, this thing as well. I got this at, I know, random, right? But whoops. I got this at Joann's Fabrics, and what it is, it's also a pin. And I'm pretty sure these are Swarovski crystals, most of them are. And what I am going to work on is making that into a keychain. That would look so cute. I know I could, and so I just need to work at it. So, yep, that's what I've been up to. Like I said, comment down below what you think about selling, or if you're interested in my bags, just let me know. And you have a good rest of your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.